Hello learners, welcome back in the Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. I hope you are doing well and learning something new with every video we upload. We have now officially started our third module, which is Finance, Accounting and Reporting Management, and also known as the FARM module. So far in the module, we have completed two very important foundation processes, which is Accounting Definition Master Management and Posting Management. These two processes form the base of the entire finance module. If these foundation concepts are clear, then understanding of upcoming finance processes becomes much easier, whether it's account receivable, payments, notes, or general vouchers. That is why we begin FARM with these topics to help you understand the logic behind transaction, not just click-through screens. In the coming sessions, we will move into more practical transaction-based processes, which includes account receivable, bank payments and receipt, cash payment and receipt, credit notes and debit notes, general vouchers. Each process will be explained step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can confidently apply it in a real work scenario. We are actively reading your comments and questions, and we really appreciate the interaction you are seeing on the videos. If you have any doubts or want us to cover the specific scenario, feel free to drop in the comments. We are trying our best to reply and resolve query whenever needed. Now, with this, thank you for learning with Lighthouse Alchemy. For more details on finance processes are coming very soon. So stay connected and keep revising what you have already covered, because in ERP, strong bases create strong professionals. See you in next video, learners. Bye bye.